Marhaban, Ana Safa. Hi, I am Safa. Welcome to my channel, Learn with Safa. In our Arabic FastTrack series, today we are going to have a vocabulary revision of Lesson 4. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one, Fi, in. Ala, on. Let's repeat. Fi, in. Ala, on. Min, from. Ila, to. Min, from. Ila, to. The next one, man. Who, maza, what. Let's repeat. Man, who, maza, what. The next one, al-ghurfatu, the room. Al-matbakhu, the kitchen. Let's repeat. Al-ghurfatu, the room. Al-matbakhu, the kitchen. The next one, as-sa'atu, the watch. Al-hajru, the stone. Let's repeat. As-sa'atu, the watch. Al-hajru, the stone. The next one, al-madrasatu, the school. Al-faslu, the class. Let's repeat. Al-madrasatu, the school. Al-faslu, the class. The next one, anta, you, in the masculine form. Anti, you, in the feminine form. Let's repeat. Anta, anti, you. The next one, hasna'u, noble woman. Hasna'u, noble woman. The next one, mudarrisun, a teacher, in the masculine form. Mudarrisatun, a teacher, in the feminine form. Let's repeat. Mudarrisun, mudarrisatun, a teacher. The next one, talibun, a student, in the masculine form. Talibatun, a student, in the feminine form. Let's repeat. Talibun, talibatun, a student. The next one, tabibun, a doctor, in the masculine form. Tabibatun, a doctor, in the feminine form. Let's repeat. Tabibun, tabibatun, a doctor. The next one, zahaba, he went. Kharaja, he went out. Let's repeat. Zahaba, he went. Kharaja, he went out. The next one, jayyidun, good. Mujtahidun, hardworking. Let's repeat. Jayyidun, good. Mujtahidun, hardworking. The next one, al-mustashfa, the hospital. Let's repeat. Al-mustashfa, the hospital. The next one, al-maridu, the patient. Maridun, sick. Let's repeat. Al-maridu, the patient. Maridun, sick. The next one, akala, ate. Tufahun, apples. Let's repeat. Akala, ate. Tufahun, apples. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. To have an online quiz, please enable your post notifications. To start learning Lesson 4, click here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Wadan, Arauka Kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.